Now we just finished loading this up. We're going to put the little cage on. Alright. Cage on here. There we go. Put the hook on. Alright. Okay. Let me see. Depends which hook I want. Maybe this one. Hook it here. Right there. Right there. The birds are gonna enjoy. Alright? So there it is. Squirrel buster. Suet feeder. Squirrel proof. They're gonna have a blast on this thing. They're gonna have a blast on this. And what happens when if a squirrel was to get on here, it'll just close right up, just like that. It'll just shut down. It'll shut down. So it was only designed for woodpeckers, chickadees, and clingers. Squirrel could jump from there. Just say a squirrel was to jump from there and to come onto this feeder. It'll just shut down, just like that. Can't get anything. All right. And if he was to come up from the ground, this baffle will stop him. There it is. Peace.